Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install custom LED lamp notifications on your T-MOBILE Revvl 6. And to begin, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here, try to find an app called Notify Body. Select it, click on install. After download is finished, you'll be able to open the app, move to the next step and grant 3 permissions to the app. Here you need to find Notify Body, allow the access, go back and do the same thing in Notification Permission. So now when we go back, there's a battery optimization which you might need to disable, but it's optional, so if the app doesn't work properly, go back and disable that option. Now move on, and here we can find 4 tabs. First one being user, so here you can select any apps to allow for a custom LED lamp notifications. In the system you can select any app bound to the system, so for example calendar. In the active, you can find all apps that you've just activated, and for the settings you can change anything about your LED lamps, like its size, shape, placement on the screen, or even the color. But some of the options are locked behind the premium version. Click on the test to see the LED lamp, and it's located right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.